This lesson is all about arranging meetings by email. We're going to look at 20 professional phrases that you can use to ask for, reschedule, and cancel a meeting. Now, when we want to ask someone for a meeting, we can use the verb to arrange. I would like to arrange a meeting with you at the office next week. We can also use the verb to schedule. I would like to schedule a meeting on Tuesday with you and Harry. Or to organize. For example, can we organize a meeting on Wednesday? When you're writing a bit less formally, you could use the verb to have. Let's have a meeting at the office to discuss the proposal. Now, if you want to suggest a day or time, you can use these expressions.
Are you available on Tuesday at 10 a.m? Could we meet on Wednesday at 9 a.m? How about Tuesday at 10 a.m? What about 2 p.m. on Friday? Is 4 p.m. on Monday okay?
When you want to confirm an arrangement, here are some phrases you can use.
I would like to confirm that I am available to meet on Monday at 9 a.m. Wednesday at 10 a.m. is fine for me. Thursday is good for me. Friday is fine for me.
However, if you are not available, you can use one of these phrases.
I will not be able to attend the meeting. I'm afraid I can't make it on Monday. I'm sorry, but I can't do Friday.
Now, if you cannot attend a meeting and you need to apologize to one of the attendees, you could write to them like this.
I apologize for the inconvenience, but my train has been cancelled. I'm very sorry for the short notice, but something has come up.
And if you need to postpone a meeting, here are some phrases you can use.
I'm afraid I can't manage Monday. How about Tuesday instead? This is to let you know that I have to put off our meeting. Can we postpone the meeting to Wednesday at the same time? Can you make it on Wednesday at the same time? Please let me know the best time for you.
Now you're able to use 20 professional phrases for arranging, scheduling, and cancelling a meeting by email.